While Maharashtra is witnessing high number of cases, in fact, Maharashtra had the highest number of cases among states in a 24-hour period. The mayor of Mumbai, meanwhile, has warned of another lockdown, saying that if people don't wear masks and follow social distancing, we may be headed towards a lockdown. But amid all this, a technical glitch has hampered the second dose of the vaccine in the state. Purva Chitnis reports.
One of India's topmost COVID officials getting his second dose of the vaccine. But in Maharashtra, the rollout is painfully slow. Here in Mumbai, over 1900 like Manisha Srivastav were to get the second jab on Monday. Only 71 actually did. But she says no one contacted her and she is still waiting.
मैं चुप थी सेकेंड डोज लेने के लिए, बट कुछ एसएमएस आया ही नहीं, तो इंटीमेशन नहीं आया. हालांकि पता था कि शुरू हो गया है, पर इंटीमेशन नहीं आया और एसएमएस नहीं आया, जो कि फर्स्ट डोज में आया था. तो एक्सपेक्टेड था कि वो आए, तो इस चक्कर में थोड़ा सा रह गया.
Seema Bansode, a department head at Sion Hospital, blames the portal.
कोई बेनिफिशियरीज वहाँ पे आए थे, लेकिन उनका नाम पोर्टल पे नहीं दिख रहा था, इसके लिए उनको वैक्सीन नहीं दिया गया. तो ये जब मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया तो मैंने तुरंत पब्लिक हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के जो एएचओ हैं ईपीआई के, मैडम जगताप, उनसे बात की. तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया है कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के अथॉरिटीज़ के साथ उन्होंने चर्चा की है. उन्होंने बताया है कि पोर्टल के ऊपर जब तक लोगों का नाम अपलोड नहीं किया जा सकता, तब तक हम ये लोगों को वैक्सीन नहीं देंगे और उसके लिए 2 या 3 दिन लग सकते हैं.
Fortunately, the window for the second dose is wider than just a couple of days.
Second dose is administered in a window of 4 weeks to 6 weeks. That's our official guideline. And therefore, because it is voluntary, our healthcare workers are choosing to decide when to come within that window, and therefore, we are truly not worried. We have faith in our healthcare workers that they will return to take the second dose.
To speed up vaccinations, 20 private hospitals in Mumbai can now vaccinate their employees. Maharashtra has been slow to vaccinate, even as it continues to be one of the worst hit states.
The second dose of COVID vaccination in Maharashtra is being given at a time when the cases are rising in the state, but now due to technical glitches, the healthcare workers will have to wait for a while to get the vaccine, due to which now questions are being asked to the central government's preparedness of the vaccine. In Mumbai with Ashok Mahadik, Sohit Mishra, NDTV.